I'm Jordan Cutts and this is my bike check. I've got a Total BMX Voltron V2 frame, GS forks and the team's top loaders. I've got Sputnik Skyline bars, We the People Royal V2 cranks and a themed pivotal seat. A massive shout out to James Hitchcocks from Zeal BMX for sorting me out with some Alone Kingpin pedals, a Bone Death rear hub guard and a Mankind front hub guard. I've got proper microlight hubs front and back, Skylark on the front and a Stay Strong Skylark on the back, TLC bikes, titanium spokes and hub bolts front. TLC park pegs, TLC racecourse sprocket. Shout out to TLC bikes, Area 25 and Cool Flow clothing. Out the really loud. I've got a Total BMX Voltron. I've got a Sputnik Skyline bars. Total. No, they're not Total. They're fucking. I've got a Sputnik Skyline bars with We the People Royal. I've got a Skyline Sputnik. Wrong way around.
Let's start again.
When you...
I've got proper microlight hubs front and back, Skylark on the front and a Stay Strong Skylark on the back and TLC titanium. Got proper... Shout out to TLC bikes, Area 25 and Cool Flow clothing.
Don't play on kids' bikes.
Fuck her right in the pussy.